Hey everyone, and welcome back to the series of tutorials that will help you to create quick and easy, contextually accurate base models in 3ds Max. My name is Amy, and this tutorial will teach you how to use the 3D vector DXF file from our last tutorial in order to create a topographical base of our site in 3ds Max. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to open the DXF in AutoCAD in order to clean up the file a bit. An important thing to note here is that 3ds Max prefers working with a site that is a clean, basic geometry shape. So today we are going to create a rectangle that includes most of the contours we've generated. So simply draw a rectangle. And then adjust it so that you've got a nice clean contour area within. Next we are going to overkill any extra lines we have by typing in overkill. And then selecting everything, pressing enter, and then enter again. And then we are going to trim the contours that are outside the box. The first thing we're going to try is typing in X trim. For some reason that doesn't seem to like it. So we are just going to have to manually trim everything that's outside by selecting the area on each side, trying to get as close as possible. This may take a while, so I'll come back as soon as this is done. Okay, so now I've got the contours trimmed to be all inside this boundary rectangle. The next thing we're going to do is to create a new UCS, which is a new origin point for the X and Y. This will allow 3ds Max to cope a bit better with the contours in order to create a terrain, as right now it is in its world origin point, and that will be quite far away from the 3ds origin point. So to do this, we're going to type in UCS and then press enter. Then we're going to select the corner of our rectangle that we've created, and then we're going to select and drag and then click along the x-axis in order to specify this point, and then we're going to do the same for the y, and then we're going to type in UCS again, and then we're going to go named, and then we're going to go save, and then we're going to save this as 3ds Max, just so that we know that this UCS is for 3ds Max. And then we can just test this out by going L and specifying 0, 0, and it should start drawing a line from the new XY UCS. Okay, so now once we've done this, we're going to save. And then we're going to exit. And we're going to make sure that it's also saving as a DWG. And then we'll wait for AutoCAD to close. And then we're going to open up 3ds Max. And this once again may take a while to open.